Alright, so looking at the converse, before you can determine what type of triangle you have, you've got to first make sure you have a triangle. So you have to add your two smaller sides, and they have to be greater than your biggest side. So we get 31 is greater than 21, so we know we can make a triangle. So now let's see what type of triangle. So take your c squared, which will be your largest measurement, and we need to determine and if it's less than, greater than, or equal to a squared plus b squared. Okay, so work out 21 squared. That's going to give you 441. And then you need to do 15 squared plus 16 squared, which is 481. Since 441 is less than 481, anytime you get the less than, you're going to have an acute triangle. Now make sure you always put c squared first and a squared plus b squared on the right side. Okay, on number 12, let's do 20 plus 23. That should be greater than 41. And it is, so we know we have a triangle. Okay, since we have a triangle, we're going to compute. We'll do c squared. Should be less than, greater than, or equal to a squared plus b squared. So we have 41 squared, which is 1,681. Then we have 20 squared plus 23 squared, which is 929. 1,681 is greater than 929. Since we have a greater than, we know that we have an obtuse triangle. Number 10, 10 plus 24 should be greater than 26, and it is. So we'll do c squared, and we'll compare it to a squared plus b squared. Now 26 squared, 676. 10 squared plus 24 squared is going to give us 676. Since the two are equal, that tells me that I'm going to have a right triangle. Next, we have 6 plus 13 should be greater than 20. But look at this, 19 is not greater than 20. So since that is a false statement, that tells me that I will not have a triangle at all.